Namaste yogis, welcome back to our channel Indian Yoga with Krishna, and I'm your Guru Krishna. So guys, as you all know that we are doing this yoga series. Today is our 22nd day of 30 days yoga series, and it's a kind of now we step up into some advanced yoga poses. So just keep doing with me, and if you're new, then please I request you please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get more video updates just like this one, and you will get the more benefit about doing the yoga. So but you know that we first we are we do stretching and the Surya Namaskar part, and then we do all the yoga asanas and with the some pranayam, some breathing technique, and last one is om chanting and shavasana or the and then end with that. So before, if you haven't watched any of my video, then please go and watch any of video day 1 to day 4 or 5. There you find the proper stretching part, the yogic stretching part, not the gym one. Okay, so there's some difference in between both of them, because in gym we don't use the more of like breathing technique, but here we use some breathing technique while doing even the stretching also. So just go and watch that, and then we start with some yoga asanas. And you already watched that done that stretching and Surya part, then no issue, just hop on yoga mat and we start some yoga asanas and finish with the pranayams. So let's just come on the yoga mat. So guys, now we are learning, that's called Virasana variation number 3, or you will say the hero pose variation number 3. So first we already done like 2 other variations. This one is the third one, a different one. So how we gonna do that? So first in this one we have to stand our knee like this one, and the back leg or heels should be like this one, not the flat one, like this one, because this one give you more your body balance. So just keep like this one. And now from the front side just hold your one leg and put here and be like this one. That's it. This is the our leg position. And now hand position is just like that. The back leg and my heels that I just showed you before here in this way, that I just keep that way. And now while breathing, raise hands like this one. Don't listen too straight like this one, leave it like this one, but it should be in namaste position with the palms joining like this one. And just point out one single point in front of your eyes, just keep looking at that. Maintain this position, don't go like this one, just this one, back straight, chest out, and be a hero, be like a warrior like this one. And when you're looking at the particular points, don't blink your eyes. When you start your eyes start getting wet, that's okay. If there is tears, that's fine, then clean your eyes also. Look at the particular points, and it increase your focus, it give you a good eyesight. Just be at that point, and after 30 seconds then just slowly, but here you will breathe normal. Okay, do it 30 seconds with, like I'm doing right now with the right leg, 30 seconds with the right leg, and then we do 30 seconds with the left leg. So just keep doing it. Now I'll show with the left leg. Now right leg should be like this one, and left leg should be like this one, and then hands, and see particular points, and don't blink your eyes, keep focused. Okay, after 30 seconds, while just slowly hands down, and we finish this portion. So this is the first is hero pose. So not the first variation number 3, but today's the first one. Okay, now the second one, that's called half moon pose. So in this one, how we do this? First just sit like this one, okay, and then comes to on your knees, the same like a hero pose, but here is different. Put your hands on your back like this one, fingers pointing downside towards your hips, and then while breathing, bend your body like this one and count 1 to 10 at least. Okay, breathe in, hold your position, hold your breath. Okay, like that. First breathe in and hold 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and while breathe out, left, and relax here. Do it at least 5 times. Okay, this is with the support. The now second one without support. This is like now we with the support. Now this one, just cross your hands like this one, put around your chest, and While breathing, the same thing, but there is a no support of your back. So keep in mind and be comfortable. If you are uncomfortable while doing this one, or you might think you can hurt your back, then just not leave it there. Okay. So first, breathe in and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and slowly breathe out and breathe. Okay. Now this one is the Chandrasana or half moon pose. Okay. Second one also there is a half moon pose, but different variation. So how we do that? First, for this one, we have to keep one leg out like this one, and one leg here. It should be like this one. Okay. Just bend like this one. Put your hands back side of your legs. Okay. Like this one, and while breathing go like this one. So it should be here, this portion should be getting so much stretch here, tension here. Okay, and also this part and this part also, the side of it. Okay, so here while breathing, and palms should be like the floor facing or yoga mat facing like this one, and hold and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and slowly breathe out. So do it at least 5 times with this side, and then 5 times with the left side. So it's the same. Here, breathe in and breathe out. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe. Okay. Now we done the both variation of half moon pose. Now the second one, that's called Janushirasana, or you will say one leg for the bend forward, sitting forward bend actually. So in this one, first to sit like this one. Okay, and we are doing putting some pressure here, so just a little bit. You can just stretch your legs. First do like this one, side, then this one, front and back, and rotate, anti-clock, and thigh strength. Okay, this is called one leg forward bend. So in this one, now I'm doing with the left leg. So I'll forward my right leg like this one. Okay, and from here, while breathing, legs raise, hands raised like this one, and then breathe out and go front side down. Okay, go as far as you can go. First breathe in and breathe out, but keep in mind, hands should be like this one, equally like this one. Don't do like this one. So if you do like this, that means you are kind of bending the frontal. You are not going like fully frontal. You are like this one. That's why your hands should be like this one. If you put like this one, that means you're both your frontal, your both shoulder line should be in the line. So it's like that. Okay. If you can't go that much, that's okay. Do it like this one here only. Okay. And hold your breathe out. It's a breathe out and hold. Okay. So let's do with the counting at least 15 seconds. Breathe in and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and up and breathe out. Do at least 5 times with right leg and 5 times with the left leg. So I did only 1 time, so I do also with the 1 time with the right leg. Okay, first breathe in and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up and breathe out. Okay, so now we done with the Chanushirasana or one leg forward bend. Now the next one, that's called Pasanchalan Kriya, or English you will say cycling pose. Okay, so how we gonna do that? First we have to lay down on stuff, sorry, on back like this one, and put your hands under your hips. So this one give some support to your back, and breathe normal here and just rotate like this one. That's it. Just breathe normal. Do it at least 1 minute. And but keep in mind, do proper circle, not like this one or like this one. No, proper. The big round circle. Okay? And after 1 minute, do it anti-clockwise. Keep in mind, here is a breathe normal. Don't hold your breath. And after you're done with the 1 minute each side, like clockwise and anti-clockwise, do it with the both legs. Okay? It's like that. You can count here at least 30 times clockwise and 30 times anti-clockwise. The same breathe normal. Okay? So now we're done with the cycling pose or Paschimottanam Kriya. Relax for a bit, then we do the other yoga pose. That's called Viparita Nokasana or reverse board pose. For that we have to lay down on stomach. So let's come to the stomach. Relax here. So for this one, get your hands straight like this one. First we do with the single hands and single legs, like alternate legs and hands. So when I lift my right hand, then I lift my legs, left legs, and when I lift my left hand, then I lift my right leg. So it's a right and left combination. Okay. So first let's do with the right hand and left leg. So how we do that? While breathing, keep in mind while breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly down. Now with that, alternate left hand, right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Do it at least 3 to 5 times with each side. 3 times or maybe 5 times with each side, and then do with the both legs and both hands together at least 3 times. So when we're doing with the both hands and legs, then you can lock your hands with thumb like this one and then do it. So first, while breathing and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out and relax. Because now we're done today's class. Now we do some pranayams and then finish with Om chanting Shavasana. Okay. Hey guys, so this is all about today's yoga asanas. Now we do some pranayams and then finish with the Om chanting and Shavasana. So let's do some pranayams. Now let's do the C3 pranayam, or you will say the cooling breathing technique. This will cool your body. If you will do any time, it will cool down almost like a 3 to 4% degree of your body temperature. So you can do it especially in this summertime when there is a heat everywhere, there is so much hot outside, then you can just do this one, cool down your body temperature. So how we going to do it? First, see, there is 2 variation of this one. So first I'm teaching you the easy one. So in this one, just make it round like the lips like this one, you are just kind of roll or making a small this circle in between your lips, and then you taking breathing through that area only. Okay, and then making sound. It's like a whistle. When you whistle you make this kind of the pause from your lips. So let's do it, and then breathe in. Now in whistle you breathe out, but here you breathe in. Okay, only the difference. and then close and breathe out through your nose. Again. It will give you so relaxation, so cooling, so relax your brain. Again. Okay, let's do one more time. Okay, so this is the first variation. Now second one, in this one is a different one, is a little bit hard one. In this one you just tongue out and then roll your tongue and make a circle, and then through that you just breathe in. So see how it looks like, and when you try to do it with me. Okay, so first tongue out and roll. Good. Again. Now let's do it with me. Very good. Let's do one more time. Good. Now we're done with the Sitli pranayams or the cooling breathing technique. Now the second one, that's called Sitkari, or in English also you will say this one, the hissing breathing technique. So in this one, like the last one, we breathe in through our tongue. In this one, we breathe through our teeth and then breathe out through our nose. So in this one, just close your mouth and touch your both upper and lower teeth, and then through them just breathe in and then breathe out through your nose. So first it clears and then open your mouth, like this, and then breathe, breathe in, deep breathe in. Keep in mind, just always deep breathe in and then deep breathe out. Deep inhale till you can't you can't take more breath in your lungs till that point, and then hold and then slowly breathe out. Okay, just like that. Now let's do it. Breathe out again. Let's do one more time. Okay, now we done this Sitkari or the hissing breathing technique. Okay, now we do the this Anulom Vilom, and then we do some other maybe Om or Brahmri or something. So now let's do the Anulom Vilom first. So you know how to do the Anulom Vilom actually already, okay? And if you don't know, then please, I've made so many videos. Or if you're doing like watch some other videos like first to 7 days. There is in this you will find this every pranayams in the maybe single. So you'll learn from there, okay? So let's start with the Anulom Vilom or alternate nostril breathing pose. Still, I'll tell you what I'm doing here, so you'll understand if you are new here then. So first, close your left nostril and breathe in from the right nostril. And hold for 3-4 seconds, and then slowly breathe out from the left nostril. Close your right and breathe out from the left. Again, breathe in from the left. You just breathe out from left. Now again, breathe in from the left only, okay? And then close your left and breathe out from the right side. Again, breathe in from the right only. And breathe out from left. Keep doing it. Okay, now don't open your eyes. Now we do the Brahmari. So in Brahmari, you know how to do it. If you don't know, then you can see this one and then start doing it. So first you put your these middle fingers on your eyes. One, the index finger is upper side of your eyelashes, and then one, the small finger, the little finger is just around your nose, and with thumbs you close your ear and make a sound while breathe in, and then while breathe out make a sound, humming sound. Okay, let's do it 3-4 times. Okay, and keep your hands just like this one. Okay, don't be like this one, otherwise it will change your position from your eyes and your nose and your ear. So keep your hands like this one only. Okay, now the Anulom Vilom. Okay, for in this one, put your hands on your knees and just with right hand, actually we'll take Anulom Vilom. Okay, now we're gonna do Om, the last one, and then after the Shavasana, and then we finish. So you know how to do the Om, okay? But still I'll tell you, your breathe 65% is your O, and last 35% of your breathe is may sound. Okay, let's do it at least 7 to 10 times, but I'm going to do 4 to 5 times only. Okay, let's breathe in. Do it according to your breath capacity. Okay, if you have 10 seconds breath capacity, then do it at least 6 minutes O and last 4 minutes So I'm doing according to my breathing capacity, so you do according to yours. Okay. One more time. Okay, don't open your eyes and go to the Shavasana, the corpse pose. Okay.
Just relax, just lay down on yoga mat freely, no tension, any body part, just relax on every body part, okay? Just drop your shoulder, lose your back muscles, thighs, stomach, hands, fingers, knees, elbows, everything just relax. No tension, any body parts. Okay, now join your hands, rub them, make them warm. Gently on eyes, forehead, cheeks, and the last one is throat. And let's do one more time. Don't open your eyes, stay here. Okay, now you can slowly open your eyes. Don't get up straight away, okay? Just turn around this side. Sleep here or maybe stay here for 5 to 10 seconds. Relax your body. And then while taking support from your right hand, there. And the last stretching part. So first, breathing. Go to the right knee side. Breathing. And left knee side. Breathing. And the front side. So guys, that's all about today's yoga class. I hope you like it. And right now, how you feeling? Just comment in comment section. I really love to know that how you feeling right now. And second thing, if you're new, then please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get more video updates just like this one. And please share this one. Someone might need this one. Someone wanted to try all these yoga classes, because people know about the yoga asanas, but they don't know how to do it. I mean, how to do that? I mean, they know the particular yoga pose. They can do that. They know the way, but where to start, which yoga asanas we do before anyone, when to start with the stretching, then Surya Namaskar, then this yoga pose, this, that, and how to end it. So they don't know actually the way. They know it's like a, it's like they know the way, but they don't know how to go there. Okay, they don't know how to reach point A to point B. So I'm just teaching here just like that. So just do that, share with everyone, and like this video and share everything just like that. And tomorrow we're gonna learn some new yoga asanas also, so we do some this yoga asana. So till then, bye bye, see you in tomorrow's class. So till then, bye bye, thank you, namaste.